This is the Lumary Smart Neon Rope Light, and these type of RGB rope lights are super cool and allow you to transform your living room, game room, theater room, or even your kids' room. I've been using the Lumary Smart Neon Rope Light for a couple weeks now, and I have to say, I really love it. I can't wait until the holidays roll around, like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, my birthday, all those different, well, it's not really a holiday, it's my holiday, right? But all these different types of holidays, so I can put this out there and do some creative lighting with it. They do have some pretty good preset modes, and it'll spice up your living space. So this one is a 9.8 foot rope light, and it can be picked up for about 40 bucks. Lumary was nice enough to provide me a 10% discount code for my viewers. I will leave a link in the description below if you're interested in checking it out, along with that discount code. They also sell a 16 foot version for about 10 bucks more. So in the box, you'll find the rope light itself, the power on and off adapter, the outlet plug, a remote, mounting hardware, the plastic clips. They provide you two options to mount them, either with double sticky tapes or screws. Last but not least, you have a quick start guide. Now, I did mention that there is an on and off switch on this. It's in line with the rope light and the power outlet, but you don't have to use it. You can use it if you want, but there are many different ways to turn the Lumary Smart Neon Rope Light on. You can use the remote. You can use voice assistance through Amazon Alexa or OK Google. And of course, the Neon Rope Light connects to your Wi-Fi, so you can use the smartphone app. Yes, they have a smartphone app for that. The smartphone app is crucial because this is where you'll go and customize your setup to your liking. We'll look more into that smartphone app a little bit later. So taking a closer look at the Lumary Smart Neon Rope Light, this thing is loaded with light beads. We're talking 540 total LEDs. That's 180 RGB, 180 warm light, and 180 cool white. You get a full color temperature range from 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. So if you're wanting to set the mood, these rope lights have RGB AI tech and support 16 million different colors. You can fully control the brightness, color, and saturation, whether you're going from a calm and cozy or a loud and vibrant area. 180 LEDs per meter give you a smoother, more consistent lighting that looks amazing in any setup. For control of the lights, you have quite a few different options here. You have the voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. All you have to do is say the word. You have the Lumary app, which you can tap into the DIY color settings and switch between the scenes. And there's even a remote. So this is super handy if you don't want to pull out your phone, or if your kids want to use it or your grandparents want to use it. Just a heads up, it uses AAA batteries and they're not included. Batteries are not included with this. The material itself on the rope light is soft and bendable, so you can literally shape it into anything: curves, waves, letters, you name it, even a heart. And through the app, you can control different segments individually, giving you a full creative freedom. It's perfect for personalizing a living room, game space, or even a DIY home theater. Let your creativity run wild with this. This is one of my favorite parts, the music sync feature. The lights actually pulse and shift colors with the beat of your music. It adds this really immersive vibe to parties, jam sessions, and even just chilling at home. There are so many different options here. Let's just say that you don't know where to start. The Lumary app has 44 preset lighting scenes. With one tap, you can instantly switch between party mode, movie night, glow, or something festive for the holidays. No fuss, just fun. A cool thing to think about this is you can group multiple of these together and make them work together. Super handy for creating a seamless vibe throughout the entire space. So you can have one in the corner, you can have one on the other side of the room, you can have one on the ceiling, you can do whatever you want with these. The installation on this is super beginner friendly, and just lay the rope in any shape you want, pop on the clips, and stick it up. You can also screw them into place if you want to. It's an instant upgrade to your room's aesthetic. Let's take a quick spin through the smartphone app and show you all the features that it has. So here's what the app looks like. At the top left, you have the name that you name this rope. So you can name it different names if you want to. Right now, this is the default name. You got the power on and off button here, right by the seat. You got more information on the top right, but we'll go to that a little bit later. Right now, we're on scene mode. You got color mode, which you can customize each little strand, music mode, scene mode, and then you can do a DIY. So you can do your own little setup. Maybe it's purple for K-State, maybe it's for red and gold for Chiefs, and maybe it's red and white or red and yellow for cardinals, whatever, you name it. You can do this for anything you want. So let's go to colors here. So right now I have it on the DIY green here. So you can see here I got different 1, 2, 3, about 5 segments here, and I can change it. So if I wanted to change this one, I can select that one and click red, and then I can select this one, and we can see how this goes. We got yellow down here. Say I want the rest of them to be red. I can do that. Maybe I want the middle one to be blue, so I'll select the blue, that one. I can go blue. So now I've selected what I want. I can control the brightness as well. And here's the wide range of colors I have. We can do even whites. So we got color temperature here. So you got the light, the low temperature, 2200 Kelvin. Then we can go all the way up to 6500 Kelvin. And then we can also control the brightness here as well. So go down to 1%. And we can do half if you want. You can do whatever you want here. So we're gonna skip music mode for now. Let's go to scenes here. And so right now you have landscape scenes. So you've got Iceland blue, firefly night, autumn, city lights, kind of weird, kind of nice, early spring, grassland, kind of like the wavy grass here. That's kind of cool. Night service, I'm not really sure. It looks like you're on a plane maybe. Got a wind chime. Christmas Eve over here. This is kind of interesting. Then you got life, different life ones. You got game mode, holiday mode, work mode, party mode, sports mode, meditation, you name it. We can go to festival. This goes to Christmas. I think this is interesting for Christmas. I'm not really sure what they're going for on this preset here. Valentine's Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving. I'm not really sure what colors on Thanksgiving. More like a brown for me, but got Forest Day, Mother's Day, Football Day. And you got different moods. So Neon World was kind of the first one I think I started out with. This is one of my favorite ones. Dreamland, Love and Dream, and Summer Wind. Then you can also set up DIY ones, so we can do one how we want. We can do a gradient effect, a jump effect, a breathe, all these different effects you can do on this. Boom. That's kind of cool for Chiefs. I'll have to adjust the yellow there. But either way, you can also do an AI image, so you can upload an image and it'll grab the colors from the image, which is kind of cool. Under more, it allows you to schedule times on when you want this up. You can add to the strip length. You can do a do not disturb. You can turn that on if you want. Then you got music. Let's do music here. Let's do so that's it. Here's my final thoughts. This is a really cool product that I think that looks great. It has a really great neon style with neon brightness. There are just so many different things you can do with this creatively. There are many different options to turn on and off and adjust the settings as needed. This is perfect for any different type of settings. Holiday lighting, game room, theater, room, living room, your kids' room, the kitchen, you name it. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions down in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.